Here we have a problem from the Austin Peay State University 2005 math contest. And this is from the calculus section, and this is number 3 on that contest. And it asks us to find how many ways the letters of the word excellent can be arranged. And at first glance, this problem seems really easy because you might think, well, just take the factorial of the number of letters in this word and that'll give you the answer, but that's not entirely true because we have a bunch of copies of the same letter in this word. We have 3 E's, 2 L's, and I think that's it. Those are the only duplicates, but those cause us some problems because if you notice, if we color code this, we'll color code the first E in yellow. The second E we'll put in purple. We'll leave the 2 L's for now. We won't worry about those. We'll just worry about the E's for right now, but then we'll make the third E in red. If we interchange the purple and the yellow E's, we get the same word. These are both excellent, but they would count for 2 different possibilities if we just went off of 9 factorial, which is the number of letters in this word excellent up here. So we're going to have to deal with this a certain way. We're going to want to take all of these possibilities. So we want to take 9 factorial, but then divide it by the number of duplicates that we get. In this case, we get 3 factorial duplicates because we have 3 copies of E. So this number, which is 9 times 8 times all the way down to 4, but then 3, 2, and 1 are chopped off by this denominator here. That number is the number of possibilities we get from excellent if we just worry about the E's. But we also have L duplicates here. So we'll have 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 all the way down to 4 divided by 2 factorial, but that's just 2. And that's because we have 2 copies of L here. So now what we have is 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 2. That's just by dividing this 4 in the numerator by this 2 in the denominator here. But that gives us 30,240 different possibilities for this word excellent. And you can do this for any word, as long as you remove the possibilities where you have duplicates. So let's look at one more example of this that wasn't on the test. Okay, so for our second example, I've chosen the word vivid, which is the word on Wordle that I've had the most trouble with recently. I think I got it in 6, but I had a bunch of trouble with it because it had 2 duplicates, and I think that's a pretty good example for this problem. So first we want to take 5 factorial. That's the number of letters in this word. But then we want to divide it by the letters that have duplicates and their number of duplicates. So we have 2 I's and we have 2 V's. So we want to divide it by 2 factorial twice. And that will give us 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 divided by 2 times 1 times 2 times 1. But then we can cancel this a bunch of different ways. The way I'm going to do it is just cancel these 2's with this 4 in the numerator. That gives us 5 times 3 times 2, which is just 30. So we can rearrange the letters from vivid in 30 unique ways. And that's enough for now.